Now, this question definitely is slightly lengthy. But before that, before starting the solution, we must understand the two principles that will be applied in this question. The very basic principles. Now, the first principle is feasibility of a triangle. Now, for three given lengths, the triangle will be possible if the sum of the lengths of the two shorter sides is greater than the length of the larger side. Fine. Now, using this principle, I'll first of all write all the possible triangles that can be made. Fine. Now, after that, you will use the logic of obtuse angle triangle. So, out of all the feasible cases in which triangles can be made, we need to select all those cases which are obtuse angled triangle. Now, obtuse angled triangle. How you can say that a triangle is obtuse angle triangle using the length of the sides. So triangle is said to be obtuse if the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides will be less than the square of the largest side. Okay, you will have to separate the shorter sides, the two shorter sides, and the largest side. So sum of the squares of the shorter sides is less than the square of the largest side. So this is when the obtuse angle triangle will be made. Okay. So let's start with the solution. First of all, by writing all the possible ways in which this triangle can be made. So I'll write all the sides in increasing order: 5, 8, 9, 12, and 13. Okay. So these are the 5 sides. Now you will have to check one by one. You will have to make all the triplets. So out of these 5 sides, 5C3, there will be 10 triangles that I can write, but there will be 10 possibilities that can be made, but not all of them will make a triangle. Okay, it might be possible some of them will not make a triangle, right? So I will write all the 10 possibilities. So 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 12, 5, 8, 13. All right. Then I will keep अभी 5, 8 को fix रखा था 5, 9. So 5, 9, 12, 5, 9, 13. Then 5, 12, 13. Keeping 5 fixed. Then the other possibility, so I've already made 6, remaining 4. So 8, 9, and 12, 8, 9, and 13, right? Last two possibilities I can write, okay, 8, 9, 12, 8, 9, 13, 8, 12, 13, and finally it will be 9, 12, and 13. Okay, so these are the total 10 possibilities, but now I have to check the feasibility of the triangle. So for triangle to be feasible, some of the lengths of the shorter sides should be greater than the third side. So this is possible. 5 plus 8 is 13, greater. 5 plus 8 is 13, not possible. 5 plus 9 is 14, yes. 5 plus 9, 14. 5 plus 12, definitely possible. 8 plus 9, yes. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 12, 9 plus 12. So there is only one case that I have rejected. Rest 9 cases, the triangle is feasible. Okay. Now I have to check for which of these cases obtuse angle triangle will be made. Okay, so some of the squares of the shorter sides should be less than the square of the larger side. So in the first case, 25 plus 64 is equal to 89, which is greater than 9 square. Okay, so in this case, obtuse angle triangle will not be made. Okay, second case, 5 square 25 plus 64 is once again 89, which is less than 144, which is 12 square. So this case, the obtuse angle triangle will be made. Next, 5, 9, 12. So 25 plus 81, which is equal to 106, right? It is also less than 144. So again, obtuse angle triangle will be there. 5 square plus 9 square, again 106, which is less than 169, obtuse angle triangle. Yes, it is. 5 square plus 12 square, 13 square. Okay, so I can see that this is a Pythagorean triplet. So definitely this is not a feasible case. So ये वाला जो case है, ये right angle triangle बनाएगा. 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. So it is definitely rejected. 8, 9, 12. 8 square is 64 plus 81. It is definitely greater than. So this is equal to 145, which is greater than 144. So not possible. 8, 9, 13. It will be possible because 145 is less than 169. So it will be an obtuse angle triangle. Next is 8, 12, 13. Now 8 square is 64 plus 12 square 144. Now this is equal to 208, but it is greater than 169. So obtuse angle triangle will not be there. And 9, 12, 13, obviously this will also not make an obtuse angle triangle. So number of cases in which obtuse angle triangle is made is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so there are 4 cases in which obtuse angle triangle is made. So the answer for this question should be 4. All right. So that is the answer for question number 9. Yes, this was slightly lengthy, but doable question. Okay.